So you were given a buddy pass, or you're an employee, and you want to find out what are some of the best practices in terms of giving yourself a greater chance, I should say, when you're flying standby. So one of the things you want to do, especially if you work for American Airlines, you want to log on to your account, or just tell your friend, hey, log on to the account and follow these directions. You want to log on to your account, then go to Trip Planner. Once you go to Trip Planner, it's going to show you where you would input your origin and your destination and the date. But right there is something that says best bet. So what best bet does is, once you click best bet, it will allow you to put your origin. So if I put JFK and I put the date that I want to travel, it's gonna populate it with international or domestic flights. So, and there's that tab as well for international and domestic flights. And what that'll do is show you the best options or the best chances of actually making a flight, and it's gonna give you the ones with the most seats. So you can definitely get it separated. So use this tool a little like this. So if your friend gives you a buddy pass, or you know of a friend who works at an airline, and you know yourself, okay, I want to go away, today's Wednesday, I want to go away for the weekend, and I want to go, think about it if you want to travel stateside or you want to go abroad. So simply ask your friend, hey, I want to go abroad for the weekend, can you check for me somewhere that is open? Maybe tell them somewhere that's warm. Just give them some extra information. Then once they plug in best bet and they have the dates that you want to go and return, and it's going to show them all these options. If you're leaving from New York, the UK is always like on the top of the list, because there's like 5 or 6 flights daily that goes there. So the chances of you making it to the UK is very high when we talk about direct to New York. And other places like Doha and Qatar, that's always on the list. You have Madrid, you have Milan, Italy. These are ones that always pop up when you're leaving JFK. So just consider that. It's stateside. It might have like Charlotte or LA. So there's some options. So this is one of the best tools, because flying standby is a whole process, and in other videos and with my book and my course, I'll help people figure out how to really master it, so you can have the best experience, because it could be a great tool. If I told you how much I paid for first class for Brazil, you would actually throw up in disbelief. Okay? Until next time, David Doring, No Frontier, over and out. See you.